This right here is $100,000 prop firm account. Yes, and you can get it for free. You can actually trade with it. I've gotten mine for free. I've gotten mine already, as you can see it right here. Yes, I'm going to show you how to get this $100,000 prop firm account. Yes, there are rules for you to follow. Yes, so once you follow the rules, you are good to go. Yes, if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go as I show you how to get the $100,000 prop firm account. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to register. We're going to be inputting our name, email, verification code. It will be sent to our email. So we'll be imputing it, then password. After doing that, we'll click on join now. So let's do that right now. As you can see, we've gotten the code, so we're just going to copy it and paste it. Then we're going to click on join now. It's loading. And so I found that there's an issue joining now, so it's taking longer than expected. So we're just going to click on this tree icon right here. Yes, so we're going to click on personal center. Then you click on my account. Yes, so once you click on it, it's going to say you don't have an account, please apply. So we're going to click on apply now. Yes, so once you apply now, it's going to bring us 3 versions, but we're going to be going for the zero cost version. Yes, we don't need the starter version and the advanced version, so we're going for the zero cost version. We'll click on it. Yes, so we have 2 rules. Yes, we have the 100k and the 30k, but we're going to be going for the one of 100k. Yes, that one is more useful. Then the one of 30k only supports BTC or ETH. Yes, so we're going for the one of 100k, and as you can see, the rules right here. Yes, so the daily effective profit is 2%. Then we have the maximum loss of principal, 5%. Yes, the trade supports weekend trade, no spread, news trade, as you can see it right here. Then the profit sharing is 50-50. Yes, the leverage is 1:10. Yes, so we're just going to go ahead to click on free. So we're waiting. Okay, so once you click on free, it's going to bring this out. The application has been successful and the account information has been sent by email, so please check your email. So we're going to go over to our email. Okay, so this is it right here, so we're just going to click on it. Yes, so our login details has been sent. Yes, so we're not logging into MT5 or MT4. You are going to log into the platform. So this is the account and the password we're going to be making use of. So let's do that right now. Okay, so you can make use of the website or you can download the app. So I've downloaded the app. So I'm just going to be inputting my account and my password that I got from my email. Then I'll click on login. So let's do that right now. Yes, so this is the app. As you can see it right here. So I've gotten the 100k. As you can see it right here, my balance. As you can see my balance right here. Yes, so you can use it to trade. You can trade using the sites, and you can also trade using the app. Okay, so regarding their terms and conditions, so these are the questions that we got from their support. Yes, so which platform I should use? They said, okay, you can use the desktop version, as you can see it. Then we also have those. Yes, so these are the questions we got from their support. How can I set SL or TP in spot or contract? Okay, so this is how to do it. Then we also have this, how can I check my spot or contracts? Yes, this is how to do it. Yes, so if I pass phase one but fail phase two, can I get funded account? Yes, so they said yes. If you pass phase one but fail phase two, you can still get phase one bonus account. Yes, so these are the questions that we got from their support regarding the terms and conditions. So you can go through it. So if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.